It's the age of Copilots. There is a Copilot for everyone and a Copilot for everything. Today, get ready for an immersive whiteboard Copilot demo where we transform a traditional team meeting and a planning process into a very interactive, dynamic and a visually captivating experience. The agenda of the offsite was to create a strategy and come out with a 3-year growth plan for the specialist sales team. When I did an initial discussion with the team, I realized that they were brimming with ideas. They were not able to contain their creativity and innovation, and I realized it's very important to channelize this energy effectively to have a good meeting. Hence, I decided to leverage the power of Copilot in whiteboard. All of a sudden, Copilot became our storytelling maestro. Let's dive into the magic of Copilot whiteboard as we embark on a journey to plan this offsite. I've asked it for a 3-year sales growth plan. Just so that at the end I can summarize it well, let me categorize it into 2 or 3. And the most important thing is getting whiteboard Copilot to sort of summarize all the inputs that have come in, and also people who have to take up these action items to drive it to completion. So here is a loop summary that's being created. I'm keeping this looks very good. So that's the magic of the Copilot whiteboard. And why would you not want to use this in a situation where you're looking at getting ideas from a lot of your team members crystallized into categories, and irrespective of whether they are in front of you or they are working remotely. And you really needn't break your brain in terms of the suggestions, ideas, categories. Copilot whiteboard has done it all for you. The tool was not just a tool, but a catalyst for transforming collaboration and unleashing creativity across my team. Whiteboard Copilot is about to redefine how we work, and I can't wait to share the excitement with you.